In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to mirror boards in monday.com to keep your projects consistent and organized. Start by logging into your monday.com account and opening the board you want to duplicate. Make sure it has all the elements you need for the mirrored board. Next, click the three horizontal dots in the top right corner and hover over More Actions. Select Duplicate Board from the drop-down menu. Now, give your new board a name and choose which elements to copy, like tasks, timelines, and even board subscribers. This ensures your team stays aligned without extra setup. Tip: if you're finding this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick monday.com tips. Finally, click Duplicate to create your mirrored board. Review it to ensure all elements transferred correctly and make any adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored your monday.com board, saving time and keeping your workflow consistent across your team.